Hi everybody, it's Miss Howard and I am here to challenge you to making aluminum foil boats. And what we're going to do is see how many pennies our boats can hold before they sink to the bottom of the water. You're going to need a tub of water, some aluminum foil, and some coins. You can use pennies, you can use dimes, nickels, quarters. If you don't have a lot of coins that you can use, then you can use beans or Legos. Just be creative and use whatever you have at home. There is this worksheet that you can use to go along with it, and I'll show you how to do it once we get started. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you before we get started is when you take a penny and you drop it in the water, it's going to go straight down to the bottom. It's going to sink. But when you get a piece of aluminum foil, it will float at the top of the water. Can you tell that it's floating right here? So our boats should float at first, and we're going to count and see how many pennies we can fit on the inside. So let's get started. So if you are using the worksheet, then what you're going to do right here is you're going to write the number of tries. So this is my first try, so I'm going to write the number 1. The first boat I'm going to use is my little boat. Next, I'm going to take a guess. I'm going to think before I get started and think to myself, how many pennies or coins or beans do I think my boat can hold? I think this boat will be able to hold 20 pennies. So you're gonna write 20. And now I'm going to try it. We have our boat in our water, we have our pennies handy, and now let's count as we put them in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you see how it's starting to sink down into the water a little bit? 17, 18, 19, 20. So I reached my goal, but I'm going to keep going and see how many that it can hold. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, wow, 32. Uh-oh, and there it goes. 32. My first boat could hold 32 pennies. So on the next column, you're going to write what it actually took, 32. And the last one, I just want you to think, were you correct? Were you? Did you get it spot on? Yes or no? I did not. So I'm going to circle no. And that's that. So attempt number 2. Let's try the big flat boat. We'll put it in there. And let's see, let's take a guess. It's bigger, it's longer, it should be able to hold more. So let's say 40. I am going to take this other boat out of there. So get a paper towel, make sure you don't make a big mess. And take our boat out of there, dump the water. There we go. And your boat is going to fall apart, but that's okay. So my guess was 40. Let's see how many it can hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, It is starting to sink. There is water entering the boat, which means we're done. Let's see if I can show you that. So do you see how you can see the water inside of the boat? That means that your boat has started to sink, and that's as many pennies as it can hold. So I think I said 36. How many could it actually hold? 36. Was I correct? No, but that's okay. So that's what I would like you to do. You can try as many times as you would like. Alrighty, and that is all. If you would like, you can send either a picture or a video to your teacher through their email. That way I can see what you did and how many pennies or things your boat was able to hold. I would really love to see. And I hope you guys have lots of fun with this. Bye.